Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is going to be a pretty short video today, but I thought it was pretty important to put this out there. But before I get into this video, I just wanted to say thanks to all my viewers for all your likes and subscribes, and especially for your comments and questions. It's so great to see so many of you just able to get your broken stuff fixed again, and it brings me nothing but joy just to see and hear your comments and hearing about your stories on how you got it going and all your tips and tricks that I never thought of. I'm so thankful for all you guys, and I really appreciate it. The reason I'm putting this video out is there have been many questions and comments about spare parts for these robo vacs. Now, aside from repairing a lot of the electrics yourself, such as the motors and sensors and switches, a lot of times you just can't fix them yourself, and you either have to try to find another broken unit to grab spare parts from, or you need to get units off eBay, not knowing what quality the product is, or if it's used, or if it's new. Eufy's website does have a handful of commonly used and replaced parts, but no motors, no gears. The stuff that's really needed to make these things function. A couple months ago, I received a message from a user that he had located some spare parts. He sent me a link to the website, and it's Eufy's webpage. It has all the filters and brushes, but also has motors, and a few different ones at fairly good prices. This is a pretty big find here, and I just want to give a big shout out to FedTVB 1988 for sharing this link with us. Other than that, that's all I wanted to share with you. I'm going to put the link in the description. If the link does change, I'll try to keep it updated in the description. Obviously, the video one, I won't be able to change that. Anyways, I hope this really helps you guys out. This has definitely helped me out. Again, I thank everyone for all your likes and subscriptions, and I appreciate each and every one of your comments, and I will continue to answer as many questions as I can. So that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for visiting my channel, and I look forward to hearing from you again soon. Thank you, and happy fixing.